Hi, I'm Kevin Tetz, and this is Raptor Bedliner in black. Raptor is a super tough product and is incredibly versatile, offers UV and chemical resistance, and has great adhesion to a wide range of surfaces, including metal, concrete, wood, and plastic. Raptor is a great coating for custom cars, chassis, and underbodies, for off-road vehicles, roll cages, bumpers, trailers, and of course pickup trucks. It's perfect for DIY users and professional users alike with simple mixing instructions. All you do is mix, shake, and shoot. Raptor is a catalyzed urethane system, which means that it's very strong and holds up great to wear and tear and to weather for a protective, stain-resistant, and rust-resistant coating. Raptor is available in a tintable form, but this is the black setup. And it's available in any quantity from the 1-liter kits to up to 200-liter drums for industrial applications. The 1-liter kit has the liner material itself in the bottle and the exact portion of catalyst required, so there's no guessing. And you'll receive a detailed instruction booklet with every kit. Our subject is a Toyota Land Cruiser that's lifted with aftermarket off-road bumpers. There are several different contours, shapes, and flat areas to coat, and the owner wanted a tighter texture than a conventional bedliner, which is easy to dial in with the new adjustable application gun. The surfaces are rust-free, but still need to be pre-cleaned and sanded before coating. We're using a wax and grease remover, but acetone or alcohol will work for this as well. Obviously, we've masked the rest of the vehicle off to protect from overspray and made sure our masking paper won't come into contact with the wet Raptor coating. The surfaces must be sanded for proper adhesion. The flat surfaces are easy to reach and get sanded with 180 grit sandpaper for a solid mechanical bond. Tight areas, contours, and recesses get abraded with a red scuffing pad. For areas that are difficult to reach and difficult to sand, Grip 4 Universal Adhesion Promoter can be used. Note that we've masked off turn signal lenses to protect from overspray. Once properly sanded, the surfaces get wiped down with a pre-cleaner to remove dust and debris from the scuffed surfaces. Any bare metal that gets exposed needs to be coated for proper adhesion, so we're using acid number 8 aerosol from U-POL to spray all over the bare steel areas. Before you begin, we recommend proper safety equipment and respiratory protection, including nitrile gloves, a spray suit, as well as an appropriate fresh air system or NIOSH OSHA-approved respirator mask. The 1-liter Raptor kit comes with the liter bottle and the 250 milliliter can of catalyst for the exact mixing ratio. You simply pour the catalyst into the liter bottle of liner, shake for at least 2 minutes to make sure they're fully blended together, and you're ready to shoot. We wanted a tighter grain to the texture, so we're starting with the adjustable tip turned 4 rotations out, which restricts the droplet size out of the nozzle. Our inlet pressure is set to approximately 40 psi or 3.5 bar, and the gun is held about 10 inches away from the surface. Using a 50% overlap and working our way across the bumpers for a consistent appearance. Raptor covers in one single coat, even on lighter ground coats. But if you want more protection or more texture, you can wait 60 minutes and apply a second coat as needed. The finished product looks outstanding, and even with all the surface detail, only took about 15 minutes per bumper to coat. The end result is a tough, chemical and weather-resistant, professional-looking coating that will look great and last a long time. Another option for an even finer grain and a more controlled texture is to use an approved urethane reducer, such as U-POL's System 20 reducer, and thin the Raptor down depending on the effect that you want. This can be sprayed through an HVLP gun that has a much wider pattern and distributes the coating evenly across large panels for a matte finish, lightly grained texture. Raptor dries to a very even and consistent sheen. However, you can change the gloss depending on your application. Raptor Liner has quickly become the industry standard 2-part texture coating, and because of its versatility and ease of use, more shops and DIY users discover Raptor every day. So no matter what your project, there is a Raptor product that fits. If you want to enhance the finish of your product, vehicle, or DIY project while giving it great weather resistance, stain resistance, rust resistance, even skid resistance, check out the line of Raptor products available from your U-POL distributors. Get on board with Raptor.